Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Institute Rank. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Without further delay, let us begin the video. So today we will be discussing the top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city Bhopal. At rank 1, we have Mitesh Rathi classes IIT JEE coaching. So, the Mitesh Rathi classes is most preferred coaching institute in Bhopal, and in few years they achieve apex of their career. They believe in professionalism and guide their students on the right track with their excellent guidance. Moreover, the faculty is excellent and well trained in their work. They have all those facilities which every student require for their excellent preparation for IIT examinations. The infrastructure is nicely built. Study material is also up to date and filled with tricky strategies. So the contact details of Mitesh Rathi classes in Bhopal is Mitesh Rathi classes Zone 2, MP Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number is 0755 426 9261. Their website is www.miteshrathiclasses.com. Now let us discuss some of the features of Mitesh Rathi classes. The very first feature is regular performance analysis and communication. So, a student's performance here will be regularly analyzed by the teachers. Second, course planning and syllabus executed in a disciplined and excellent manner. Third, an interactive approach to query solving. So, doubt solving sessions are also excellent here. At last, national level competitive benchmarking is set by the institute. Vision Infinity is our rank 2 institute. So, the Vision Infinity in Bhopal is very famous for their IIT JEE coaching classes, and in few years they'll definitely achieve their flame flare career in this educational field. In addition to this, the infrastructure is well equipped and provides all the major facilities like hostel, e-library, faculty hostel, everything a student require, Vision Infinity will provide you. So, the faculty is highly educated and follow the professional guideline for their students. Moreover, Vision Infinity has the best vision and infinite ways to achieve difficult goals. Their address in Bhopal is 184 Zone 1 MP Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number includes 0755 427 3406, and the fee structure is 2 to 3 lakh for 2 years program. The features of Vision Infinity in Bhopal includes an interaction hour concept for regular query solving. So here, student-teacher interaction will happen in a great manner and teachers will solve the query of every student. Second feature includes well-researched study material with emphasis on concept clearing. Third, teachers are available 24/7. You can contact them anytime. Last, special emphasis upon individual attention. So, teachers here try to give attention on each and every student, clearing their concepts and doubts individually. Okay, so at rank 3, we have quantum classes. It was established in the year 2001 and is one of the most reputed and oldest IIT JEE coaching institutes in Bhopal. The infrastructure of quantum classes is good, and the faculty is esteemed professionals and even the staff is very supportive. Moreover, the batch size is great and not crowded. Further, special emphasis is given on keeping classes interactive, interesting and highly informational at this institute. Moreover, to provide ample time to prepare for IIT JEE to students, timely completion of course and topics is ensured here. Also, with the application of different memory techniques, revision at quantum classes covers the full syllabus in such a way that it becomes easier for IIT JEE aspirants to grasp the concepts easily. The features of quantum classes includes, very first, a strong mentor program to guarantee personalized attention, which is very important feature. Second, rigorous test series for each and every subject as well as full length tests. Third, it ensures a concrete conceptual base. So the concept and the base will be made definitely clear here. At last, we have concentration on smart and strategic study rather than hard work. So they focus on smart work instead of hard work. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is the Resonance Institute in Bhopal. The address of the institute is plot number 8, SBI Colony, IG Imperia Zone 2, Maharana Pratap Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their phone number includes 0744 66555044. Their website is www.resonance.ac.in. So now let us discuss some of the key features of Resonance Bhopal. The very first feature is definitely a need of the hour, that is, distance and e-learning programs is provided here. Second is, IITians are more than 25% of the total faculty. Further, 6,01,459 plus selections in JEE Main. At last, we have regular student satisfaction surveys are also conducted by this institute. So, these were the top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city, Bhopal. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding all these institutes and now will choose the best one for yourselves. For more update like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video.